Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel crypto guy. So in this video I'm going to tell you the most bullish news in the history of Bitcoin. Elon Musk, you can buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. Tesla starts accepting Bitcoin payment and will not convert to fiat. Mark Cuban backed crypto data startup in 2 million funding round. And also technical analysis of Bitcoin, where the price is going and when it gonna hit all time high. So if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel Crypto Guy, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so let's start with the coin market cap, and here you can see that Bitcoin is about 56,145, Ethereum is about 1715, and after a little bit dip, now Bitcoin is going sideways at the moment, and it can go above and also hit all-time high very soon. Binance coin is on number third, and here we can do some kind technical analysis of Bitcoin at the moment. Let's start with 1 hour chart, and on 1 hour chart that you can see that there was a dip and we came back about 53,000 exactly, and the RSI was reset on 1 hour, and then it come hit the resistance, went back and then pump it again, and from there it come and right now it's testing 1 hour moving average, and this is very critical. I mean, if we able to bounce and hold this level about 55,700, definitely we are bullish, and it is a bullish sign. And on 4 hour chart, if you go and see that we are just sitting right on the top of this 4 hour chart, and if we have a rebound, definitely is very bullish for Bitcoin and RSI is totally normal. We can definitely go up to all-time high easily about 60,000 US. And if we go on 1 day chart, and here you can see that we are almost sitting on 1 day chart, we fell down a little bit, but now there is a possibility that Bitcoin will go sideways for few days, and definitely then there would be a move, because here you can see that the bearish diversion is coming down and it will soon convert into the bullish on 1 day chart. So maybe in up or 1 or 2 days there's a strong possibility that Bitcoin is going to test 62,000 all-time high. And you can also see the indicators at the moment that everything is neutral, and even the summary is buying and moving average is very strong. That's a very bullish sign, and even like if you bought it 1 month ago, you are in profit. I'm telling you guys that if you don't have a Bitcoin, you have to buy Bitcoin. But if you are already on at least 0.1 Bitcoin or 0.5 Bitcoin, then you can think about it and wait for the dip. And there was a dip, and that was a time to buy it, and now you can also buy it, but wait until it will pump and it will come down. So this is the technical analysis of Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, so now let's move toward the most bullish news of the history of Bitcoin is Tesla starts accepting Bitcoin payments and will not convert to fiat. And if you go on Twitter, and here you can see that Elon Musk official Twitter page, and he tweeted this 9 hours ago that you can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. I mean, you can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin, and you can already see that there is a 23,000 comments, almost 100,000 retweet, and 500,000 people have liked it. And the second tweet, actually what he did was, second last tweet was, pay by Bitcoin available outside the US later this year. So this means at the moment they're just gonna introduce at the US, and definitely it's gonna work. It will be a good project for them, and they're gonna accumulate and stacks BTC, and after this later also on the other part of the world like Europe and Asia, you can also, they're gonna implement that you can buy from Bitcoin. And the last tweet, what he did, that Tesla is using only internal and open source software and operate Bitcoin nodes directly. It's mean that they're gonna contribute in the nodes. They're gonna run their own Bitcoin nodes wallet, and Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin, not converted to fiat currency. I mean, this is the most bullish news, that they just want to have Bitcoin. They will keep the Bitcoin, they will not sell the Bitcoin, and everybody know that Bitcoin price is will only go up. And Tesla haven't made that much money in selling cars what they already made in just holding Bitcoin in the last few months. I mean, this is the power of Bitcoin, and definitely Elon Musk is a genius guy, and he understands the importance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So that's really the biggest and bullish news so far under the history of Bitcoin, that Tesla is going to accept it, and it is will also available very soon outside of US. And these are the tweets which I already showed you on the Twitter account. And if you haven't followed my account on Twitter, you can go and follow me on Crypto Guy. I am there and also sharing my interesting tweets as well. So this is the most, and here you can see the proof. Somebody already have wrote it, that if you can go and see custom order, and somebody is trying to buy Tesla, and after selecting all the option, paying, continued for the payment order, and pay by card order, and Bitcoin. I mean, that's Bitcoin. This is the most interesting thing, and definitely guys, just keep stacking Bitcoin. I'm pretty much sure that one day you can buy a Tesla from your Bitcoin, and this is already a reality. And this is another bullish news from the Mark Cuban. That's a whale-backed crypto data startup in 2 million funding round, and that's also for like tweets and NFTs. Mark Cuban sold one of that. I mean, this DeFi system NFT, it's booming up, and he's also like investors are coming up, and that's why I'm telling that Bitcoin will definitely going until 100,000 this year, and this is not the top. I will repeat that this is not the top of this bull market right yet. Maybe we can come back, maybe we can hit 40,000, but after that we will go up. And once this RSI will be reset on weekly, I mean, we can even go up more harder and push further than 62,000 very easily, and easily can go up to 100k. So I think that's all for today. I just want to share this bullish news that Tesla is accepting Bitcoin. So keep stacking your Bitcoin, and definitely you can buy Tesla from it, and I'm pretty much sure that other companies will start jumping into it, right? Like Amazon, eBay, and they're gonna also maybe start, maybe even Apple, that you can start buying Apple products, MacBook Pro, iPhones from Bitcoin as well. So I think that's all for today, guys. Keep checking Bitcoin, keep safe, and if you haven't liked my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and until that, bye bye.